got this shit knocking though.
Start recording again. All right.
Okay. And for this one, just go to call manager. And the tickets had said, let me pull it because I took the ticket. It says 2 rovers, iPhones, not responding to stat line extension 2430. So she only gave us the quote unquote stat line, and I looked it up. So go ahead and hit click on call routing. I figured it was gonna be a hunt group, but so what I did is go to call routing, then go to route plan report. All about right there, and then type in 2430. So it's like I figured it was a hunt group, and see these are all the extensions. You call 2430, it's gonna ring all those extensions listed right there, right? And so I had to call her because she didn't bother to mention the 2 phones that was not answering this 2430. So I did call her, and she said the extensions were 2419 and 2421, and as you see, they are not on this list.
Yep.
So they never worked. The extension she gave me never worked unless you or I or Ashley took them out, which I know we didn't. So she's like, "Can you add them?" Sure. All right. So what you want to do, just so I can show you how to get to it the normal way, hit call routing, and then go to route hunt, and then down at the bottom hunt pilot, and then type in 2430. And click on the extension 2430. Now from here you kind of just digging into the layers. So you see where it says hunt list, hit edit when you see like that edit that's kind of sticking out there.
Yeah.
Hit that. And then now you want to go down to the bottom on the hunt list details and click on that lab phlebotomy hunt group at the bottom. Yeah, that little link right there.
Over here.
Yeah. So now you actually scroll down a little bit. Now you actually see where the extensions are kind of populated. So
Okay.
kind of scroll up just a little bit. All right, right there was under partition, select all phones. It's kind of beside that
there
find
it is. I got
button.
you.
Yeah. Hit that drop down, select all phones. And then 24, then search under the bottom right below it, directory number. Contain 2419. And hit find right there. And then what you want to do is just double click that. Double click it. Or maybe hit add to line group. Yeah, all right, now hit save. And then same thing, all phones. And then 2421. Find. Add, highlight that one and add it to line group. And save. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you should see 2419 and 21 in the group now. Yep.
Okay.
That's it. And that's how you would add any hunt group number.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
This is simple enough.
Exactly.
All right.
All right, man.
All right. So that's just editing hunt group list or hunt group. Yeah. Okay.
And strangely enough, I mean, if you looked, go ahead and click on call routing.
Yep.
Then route hunt and then hunt pilot. The same way you edit it is the same way you would create it. So it's like a 3-step process. You would first create the hunt pilot, which is the extension. Just click on the extension so you can kind of see. You can go back through it and kind of see what it looks like. And I always tell you, Ashley, just look at a real life example. If you ever try to go back and build one, you build it exactly the same. Just kind of change the attributes to fit what you needed. But it's essentially just an extension. Put it in the all phones partition. You don't mess with any of it. Most of the stuff kind of automatically populates as soon as you click add new. But then you just go in and label it as what your purpose for. So it wouldn't be the lab, it'd be whatever you want it for. But then so you would create the extension and just go back in the call routing. And these lists are kind of made in a way that it makes it a little easy, even though this one's flip flop. So you would create your hunt list. I'm sorry, your hunt pilot, then a hunt list, and then a hunt group. And the hunt list is just click on hunt list and just click on add new.
Add new. Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, it's simple. See, you just name it, give it a description, and then click on that unified communications part. Yeah, the drop down.
Oh, gotcha.
All you pretty much we always going to use the SRH sub pub because that's both servers.
All right.
So yeah, I mean it's super simple to create a hunt group. Once you name it, give it a description, choose the SRH pub sub, hit
Mm-hmm.
save. The next step is what you saw. It's just the group where you put the extensions in there, and all you gotta do is find the extensions you want to add, and then once you're done, hit save.
Okay.
Yep. Super simple. Okay, I just wanted to show you that because I don't know if you ever done
Yeah.
the recording or the hunt group stuff.
No, I have not. So
Yep.
I may have questions for you down the road, but at least I got this to go off to start. So
All right.
I
All right,
appreciate that,
man.
Patrick. Thank you.
No problem. Bye bye.
Bye.